Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a beautiful 3D engraved map. So here is the finished map. It is a map of San Francisco and it is made of multiple wood layers. So here you can see the freeway, we have San Francisco, here is the bottom layer of the map with all the roads, and of course the water parts are covered in resin. This is a multi-step process, however it's not too difficult. So let me show you how this was done. To create the map, I'm using Laser Map Maker. This site allows you to easily make multi-layered maps in vector format, so that it's ready to go in an engraver. I'm using a paid subscription, but you can try it out for 2 weeks with a free trial. You can use my link down below in the description. Let's go ahead and search for San Francisco. Here's the map. Now let's customize it with size and settings we want for our map. Here are the various layers that you can edit. And within the layers, there are many things that you can customize. If you want me to do a more detailed tutorial of Laser Map Maker, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so once we're happy with how our map is, let's take a preview. Here we can see the 3 layers: land cut, land engraved, and roads. And here's a combined map. Let's go ahead and export the file. Now let's get the files ready for the laser machine. Using the xTool software, XCS, let's take a look. On this canvas, we have the original files imported from Laser Map Maker. I've gone ahead and resized the entire map to 8 by 8 inches, the size of the frame that I'll be using. I like to keep this canvas as a reference. Now we have 3 more canvases that we will cut and engrave on. This next one is just the roads layer. I've also added San Francisco that will be cut out along in this layer. Here are the settings. Next, we have 2 layers combined, the land cut and land engraved. The black is engraved and the purple is cut. This is the water portion. Here are the settings for each. This last canvas is just the base layer, a very simple square. Let's cut the first canvas. And as you can see, it's going to take about 12 minutes. Let's load the wood for the first layer and start the cut. Here's a machine working at 3x speed. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Here it is. Look how clean the cut is. This next canvas will take a little over an hour to process. And it's done. This is looking really good, isn't it? The last canvas is the fastest, just a bit under 3 minutes. Okay, here's our last piece. Using this last piece, we're going to paint it blue with acrylic paint. Here's the wood panel all painted. Here we're going to spray some tack spray to the back of the middle piece and glue them together. Alright, so the 2 layers are now sealed. The glue has dried and it is looking really good. And we're ready to move on to the next step. So the next thing we're going to do is add a thin layer of UV resin just along the edges. I used quite a lot of glue to make sure that the edges are sealed, but there might still be some micro cracks where regular resin might leak through. And since regular resin takes about 24 hours to cure, that's a lot of time for the resin to sneak through a tiny crack and come out the other side. So what I'm trying to do with the UV resin is to put a very thin layer here on the edges to seal any potential cracks. And the reason why I'm using 2 types of resin is because UV resins come in a smaller bottle and they're more expensive. So I don't want to use the entire bottle on one map. I'm just going to use a little bit on the edges, and then we'll use regular resin for the rest of the ocean. And of course, in order to do the UV resin, you need a UV lamp. And the brands I'm going to be using is Let's Resin. I really like this brand. They have always come through for me, so I think I'll be sticking with them for a while. And the nice thing about UV resin is that it only cures under UV lamps, so you don't need to work super fast and can take your time without worrying that it's going to get sticky and start curing. Once we're done, we're going to slide it under the UV lamp and cure it. This will only take a few minutes. Alright, so here is our map so far. The resin has cured, and now we're ready for the rest of the resin. And for that, I'm going to be using epoxy resin, also from Let's Resin. Here are my parts A and B. I'm going to mix them into a larger cup. Okay, once it's fully mixed, we can pour it onto the map. Once it's filled up, we're going to wait 24 hours for the resin to cure. It's been 24 hours and the resin is cured. Let's add the top layer. And then let's put it into the frame. Alright everyone, and we are done. The San Francisco map is done. I think it turned out really beautiful. Just look at this. So we have San Francisco down here on the bottom. We have the land and also the roads. And of course the beautiful blue water. So what do you think of this project? It was a lot of fun to make. Lots of steps, but the result was worth it. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!